So guys, if you want to create a model something like that in Vray, it's a very pretty easy guys. So in a latest version of a SketchUp Vray, you can use this trick. So what you'll have to do guys, suppose if you want to place the all plants over these arches. So what you'll have to do, first I will go inside here like that and then Control C, and then I will click here at the edit option, paste in place. Okay, then I will create a small tube here. So I'm going on a tool option, click on a follow me, and then click on a tube. Okay, then I need to make it in a group guys. Okay, then what you'll have to do, you have to just click over this tube and then click here. This is called a scatter tool. Okay, after clicking you have to click on a Vray Asset Editor. So what you'll have to do guys, you have to select this model and then click over add guest options. So now your guest added here. Then you have to increase the density, so you have to click here to increase the density over here like that guys. Okay, and if you want to increase the seed, you can also increase the seed options just like that. Okay, and another option is axis filter. So if you want to place this plant all over the faces of the tube, then you have to click all faces. Okay, along normal or world. What is the difference? You can see here when I will click at this option guys. Okay, now you can see the differences. When I will select along normal, you can see, and when I will select world up. Okay, so this is the option. You can increase the density from here just like that, and seeds, and here you can also click over the facing up option. So all the plants just will be faced over like just you have taped in over the tube. Okay, so just for a real feeling you have to click over the all faces options, and you can also increase the randomization option. If you will want to create a random placement of the plant, you can use it, this option. Okay, and another option is random scale minimum or maximum. Okay, just like that, randomly you can minimize the scales of every plants just like that guys. Okay, so this is pretty cool option that is recently added in a Vray SketchUp guys. So if you have any other query regarding Vray, you can comment over the comment section and I will be there to help you guys. Thank you, have fun, please subscribe my channel for more update. Thank you.